and the United Kingdom have had much in common for the last 400 years: art, culture, heritage and history. Today, the two nations can also complement each other with numerous business and technology collaborations. To explore some of these possibilities, the India-UK Tech Summit 2016 was recently held in New Delhi that saw attendance from Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as British Prime Minister Theresa May. A platform that showcased disruptive technologies first from renowned global industrialists, academicians and policymakers. The summit invited UK and the world at large to make in India.
The Tech Summit was envisaged during my visit to the UK in November last year to reinforce the friendship between India and the UK. It also marks
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ambitious Make in India program was a highlight of the India-UK Tech Summit 2016. The idea of India as a global manufacturing hub evinced significant interest from Indian as well as British business leaders.
As countries, we both need to ensure we take advantage of the opportunities of the century ahead, and we can do so together. As Prime Minister Modi pursues his ambition for smart cities, digital India and Make in India, in Britain we are focused on economic reform, social reform and building a country that works for everyone. I believe we should throw our entire weight behind each other's efforts. Indeed, we already have our urban planners working on your smart cities and making Wi-Fi more accessible across India. Meanwhile, Indian investment is helping us diversify our economy and bring prosperity to every corner of our country.
The unbeatable combination of India and the UK is perhaps best exemplified by aviation giant Airbus. India's contribution to the Airbus group has been on a rapid rise, and the company has a significant local footprint in terms of sourcing, engineering and innovation, maintenance and training services. Airbus works with over 45 Indian suppliers, both public and private, and its engineering facility in Bengaluru employs around 400 engineers. In fact, procurement from India has grown 16 times for the group in the last decade, and today every Airbus commercial aircraft has parts that are made in India.
Make in India is at the heart of our strategy. At Airbus, we are committed to developing aviation and aerospace ecosystem in the country. In terms of our strategy for the country, it's based on 4 pillars, which is engineering, customer services, aerospace supplier partnerships, R&D and innovation. In all of them, our driver is on Make in India.
With a market share of over 70%, Airbus dominates the Indian aviation sector. A conducive business environment with schemes like Make in India is fostering a symbiotic relationship between Airbus and Indian aviation companies. One such company is Diabetacare Technologies, that's a leader in manufacturing precision aerospace components like flap track beam assemblies, and is a global single-source supplier of these for Airbus 320 and 330 aircraft.
When you look at the size of the market, India will become the 3rd largest civil aviation market in the coming years. And that's on one side. And if you look at the last 20 months, in India, on a year-on-year, we have seen a growth of more than 20%.